students, welcome to our Madras School of Economics series. And for 2025, what are the expected questions? You know we are doing. So let's see what's our next question. So here we are given a demand function which is faced by a monopolist, and it is 100 minus P, the demand function which is given to us, and P is the price, and let the marginal cost of production be 10 per unit. Then what will be my what will be my answer? If then the output produced by the monopolist will be what? So MC is 10, that is constant. Now we have to find out the monopoly output, that is a quantity where MR is equal to MC. So first we will find out the TR. So let's find out the total revenue first. So my total revenue will be P multiplied by Q. So that is 100 minus Q multiplied by Q. So that is 100Q minus Q square. Okay. So then I will find out the marginal revenue. So let's find out DTR of DQ. That is 100 minus 2Q. So here we will set 100 MR equal to MC. So 100 minus 2Q equals to 10. So 100 minus 10 equals to 2Q, or Q is equal to 45. So my answer will be none of the above. So for this answer we have find out. So please do the formula and practice all the formulas, because they can give you questions from anywhere. Correct. So best of luck students, and continue watching our video, because all the series we are going to complete in this series, all the questions rather.